Hey guys, what's up? How's it going? Today I'm gonna go over how. Sorry, I'm like eating something. I'm gonna go over how to draw Sonic when he's jumping from like a spokes. When he's jumping and he's kind of like free falling right there. Really cool pose. If you're a huge Sonic fan, stick around. This one's very, very easy. Okay, it is step by step, completely simple from beginning to end. So let's jump in right now. Alrighty, so let's jump into Sonic jumping here, okay? So, first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go over here and I'm going to draw a kind of curved line like that, kind of like a rocket almost. You get a better marker here. Curve underneath. Curve here. Line underneath. Out right here for the nose. Curve down. Curve, curve. Filling in the nose there. His nose is pointed out over there. And now I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve right here for the eye. Go back, down. Pull up over here. Curve for the eye. Line up, curve. Line up, down. Curve line here, up, down. Line over here, the front of the face. Circle right here for the stomach area. Circle over here. Line out. Curve, line out. Curve over here for the hand, kind of the cuff of the hand. You can see the cuff right there. Line down here. Out, down, in, curve. Out, down, hand, curve. Down, in, curve here. Curve here. Curve. Right on. I'm gonna go down here to the legs. So around here, I'm gonna pull a line down. A line down. Right from the front, line down. Line down. And curve right here. Curve ring here, curve ring here. Out, down, in, curve. Knuckle. Curve over here. Go over here on this side. Curve back, up, down. Kind of pulling that spike back a little bit and then down over here for another spike. gonna draw a kind of circle shape here because his foot's gonna be kind of aimed back a little bit. Same thing right here on this side. Line over here. Line over here. So you have kind of his foot right there on that side. Down over here, out, curve up. Over here on this side, pulling back, down, curve over here, down, up, down, curve, curve, curve around here, curve, down, putting a big line around the Sonic here. Oh, I want to fill in the mouth over here, forgot. He's kind of yelling as he goes up. Curve line here, curve white line here, curve line here, curve line here. Down, 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 curve, curve over here, up, down, down, curve. Curve over here, curve, curve up, line over here. Let's go to the eye over here, circle right there for the highlight, okay? And then we fill that area in. And there you go, you got a Sonic kind of like jumping up, like, yeah, like it's usually he's bouncing on something, right? You're gonna draw like a curve over here.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now, another short video.